So the iPhone 12, is it a worthy upgrade from your previous iPhone, your Android? Today we're going to take a look at that. What's up guys, my name's Thomas, and if you're new to my channel, here I make all kinds of tech videos about Apple products and other technology, so if you're new here, definitely hit that subscribe button and put the bell notification if you want to be notified whenever I publish awesome new tech content. Anyways, today we're going to be discussing the iPhone 12 and whether it's a good upgrade or not. So while the upgrade to the iPhone 12 may seem quite intriguing, it has 5G, it has a better camera with a LiDAR sensor on it, it has a better display, it has a lot of awesome new features. In reality, the value of the upgrade is really dependent on which phone that you have right now. So if you have an iPhone 10, 10s, 11, 11 Pro, do not upgrade. So in my opinion, the iPhone 12 is essentially a glorified iPhone 11 Pro. It has a lot of the similar features. Of course, it has some new features like Dolby Vision, better screen, stuff like that, 5G. But the battery life is still similar, the design is similar. I would wait until they release a redesign maybe next year. And you already do have a pretty good camera on your current phone. So personally, I would wait for them to remove the notch and, put in some new features, maybe next year, and then it would be a worthwhile upgrade for me. However, there's one exception. If you're buying the 12 mini and you want it because you want a smaller phone, go for it. The iPhone 12 is a great phone, and the 12 mini is a pretty good price. It's like $600, which is a really good price for an iPhone with such good features. And it's a smaller design. A lot of people have been waiting years for this. So just, if you want the 12 mini, go for it. However, if you have an iPhone 7, 8, 6S, 6 Plus, definitely buy the 12. It's a huge upgrade. First of all, you have a new all-screen display, you have Face ID, you have a way better camera, better battery life, 5G, and while a lot of places might not have 5G right now, you're probably going to keep your phone for years. So in a couple years from now, your phone is already future-proofed for 5G coming across the nation. In addition, you're getting the new A14 chip, which compared to those older phones is like a lightning fast. So it's definitely worth it in my opinion if you have one of those older phones to definitely upgrade to the iPhone 12 because you're going to be getting a lot of features that you've never really had anything like that on your older phones on the 12. Now about waiting until next year, everybody always says, I'm going to wait until next year. Well, you know what? Next year and the year after, there's always going to be some new features that you're expecting on the phone or want on the phone that aren't released that year. So there's really no point waiting because next year when they release the iPhone 12s or 13, whatever it's called, there's just going to be some more features that you think you should wait till the next year on. So to give a quick recap on the iPhone portion of this video, if you already have an iPhone 10 or above and plan on upgrading to the iPhone 12 or 12 Pro, don't do it. I would wait. There's not enough new features to justify the big upgrade unless you're looking for a smaller form factor in which the 12 mini is a great phone and it's totally worth it. But if you're upgrading from a phone pre-iPhone 10, one of those older models, it's probably worth it. You're going to be getting a lot of new features. It's going to be night and day, the upgrade. Just do it. Now about switching from Android. Honestly, I'm mixed on this. So I would say that if you're switching from Android and you have one of the newer Androids, don't do it. A lot of the brand new Androids, especially the flagship models, have a lot of features that even the latest iPhones don't have. For example, the Samsung Note 20 Ultra has a 120Hz display, and some of those phones have really great battery life. The only time I would say upgrading from Android to iPhone in this case would be worth it is if you're upgrading purely for the iOS operating system, which I can understand because personally I like iOS a lot more than Android, and I know a lot of other people like iOS a lot more than Android. So pretty much, yeah, that's all I have to say in this video. Let me know what you think down below if you're going to be upgrading to any of the new iPhone 12 models. And I hope you have a great day, and be sure to leave a like, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.